بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 6. We are in model 6, equations and inequalities. Today we have the last lesson in this model, lesson 6, inequalities. So in this lesson we want to learn how to write and solve and graph inequalities, how to write and solve and graph the inequalities. So the first step, prepare your notebook, please. Who can read exercise number 1? Yes, Bati.
أفلا حمد
charges, carnival charges, $3.50 interest fee. Each ride costs $2.75. Write and simplify to find the total amount of money needed to go to the carnival ride or ride.
Okay, thank you. Type. You have 1 minute. Read it again and tell me what is the expression here. Okay, who can tell me what is the expression here? Like, check with me. Here we have 3.50 entrance fee. So write 3.50.
plus 2.75.
Then we have the cost of each ride will be 2.75. And how many rides we have? We have 4. So 4 rides multiply the cost of each ride will be what? Will be 2.75. This is the expression. This is the expression. Now this is right. Then simplify an expression to find the total amount of money needed to go to the carnival and rides for rides. Okay, now we want to solve the value. The order here for the multiplication. So we can write 3.50 plus, now we have 4 times 2.75, 4 times 5. Please, all students, put your mic in mute. When I ask you, you can answer me, please. All students, put your mic in mute, please. Don't speak without permission. Okay, 4 times 5 will be 20. 4 times 7 will be 28, plus 2 will be 30. 4 times 2 will be 8, 8 plus 3 will be 11. Then here we have 2 digits, the point after 2 digits, so with the point here after 2 digits. Then no values for the 2 zeros here, so we can remove the zeros, so the answer here will be 11. Then add 3.50 plus 11. 3 plus 11 will be 14.50. Who has any question now? Now you can answer me. Who has any question? Is it clear for all? Okay, طيب go with me to the next question. Graph the integers. Graph the integers. I want to remember you what the meaning of the integers. In the number line, this is the number line. We have in the middle the 0. From 0 to the right, we have the positive numbers. We have the positive numbers. The positive numbers means the numbers greater than 0. The numbers greater than 0. And from 0 to the left, from 0 to the left, we have the negative numbers. The negative numbers means the numbers less than 0. The numbers less than 0. So now we have two kinds of numbers, negative numbers and positive numbers. Negative numbers less than 0 and positive numbers greater than 0. Negative number less than 0 and positive number greater than 0. So we want to represent now these values. As you see here, we have 0. This is the 0. Then we have 2 positive or negative. If we don't have sign before the number, means the number will be positive. So take 2 and put it in the positive side. Put it in the positive side. This is 1 and this is 2. Then here we have minus 4. As you see, before the 4 we have minus. What's the meaning of minus here? Negative 4, negative number. So go to the negative side. Go to the negative side. So the negative side here. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4. So right here minus 4. Then as you see here we have minus 6. Minus 6 we have, before the 6 we have minus, means here we have negative number. So go to the negative side. So here minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Then here we have 3. Here we have 1, 2, and here we have what? Here we have 3. This is the meaning of the integers. So the integers means positive number and negative number. The second question here, the following temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit were recorded throughout the month of December. Will be here minus 2 degree, minus 4 degree, 1 degree, and we have 5 degree, 7 degree, 0 degree, and minus 4 degree, and 3 degree, and 1 degree. List the temperatures from greatest to the least. We want to order these temperatures from big value to the small value, from big value to the small value. I want to remember you. In the positive sides, when the distance from 0 increase, the value will be increased. Yani means when you write 3 and 8, which greater, 3 or 8? 8 greater than 8, because the distance of 8 big than the distance of 3 from the 0. But when you go to the negative side, we have the opposite idea. When the distance from 0 increase in the negative side, the value will be decreased. Yani means when you have minus 3 and minus 8. Which greater, minus 3 or minus 8? Minus 3 greater than minus 8. Minus 3 greater than minus 8. So this is the idea. Now, when you want to order the big number will be 7. So we can write here 7. 7, the greatest number in this set. Then here we have 5. Then we have 3. Then we have 1 repeated 2 times. Then 0. Before the 0 we have the negative numbers. We have minus 2 and minus 4. Which greater?
minus 2.
Greater than minus 4. So we can write here minus 2. Then here we have minus 4 repeated 2 times. We have minus 4 repeated 2 times. Type check with me now the answers. The expression here we have 3.50 plus 2.75 times 4 equal 14.50. The next question, this is the number line. This is 0 here and 2 positive number here and the 3 positive number here. Then here we have minus 4 in the negative side and we have minus 6 in the negative side. And this is the order from greatest number to the smallest number. The big number will be 5, then 7, then we have 5 less than 7, then 3 less than 5, then we have 1 repeated 2 times, then 0, then we have the negative numbers, minus 2, then minus 4, then minus 4. طيب, let us to take attendance, then we will back to continue our lesson. بطي.
نعم أستاذ.
حمد علي.
نعم أستاذ.
دان سالم. دان الكعبي.
نعم أستاذ.
خالد خليل.
نعم أستاذ.
دانيال.
نعم أستاذ.
سعيد. سعيد. طيب, سلطان علي.
نعم أستاذ.
سلطان غازي. عامر. عبد الله راشد. عبد الله محمد الجابري. عبد الله محمد الحمادي.
نعم.
عبد الله الأحبابي. عبد الله مسعود. عمر الشامسي. عمر أشرف. فلاح.
نعم أستاذ.
محمد أحمد الحمادي.
نعم أستاذ.
محمد سعيد.
نعم أستاذ.
محمد حمادة.
أستاذ. نعم أستاذ.
مطوع. مطوع. منصور علي. Okay, what is our lesson today? Inequalities. Inequalities. We want to learn how to write the inequality, how to graph the inequality,
أستاذ المنصور اللي موجود
how
ما
to
يصير
solve
معلق.
the inequality, then how to solve the inequality. Okay, listen to me, please. A DVD cost more than $15. More than $15. What's the meaning of more than? More than means greater than. Means here means greater than.
أستاذ نكتبها. Mister, can I solve it?
Wait.
Mister, can I solve?
We have.
Mister, can I solve it?
Please, all students, put your mic in mute. Just speak when I answer. When I question you, you can answer me when I speak to you. Answer, please. All students, put your mic. I want to learn. I want to teach. Please don't cut me. A DVD cost more than 15. Here we have 4 kinds of signs. We have more than, or less than, or more than or equal, or less than or equal. We want to use the 4 signs in this lesson. So the question here, a DVD cost more than 15. More than 15. We don't know the cost of the DVD. So choose it here any variable. For example, C. What's the meaning of more than? More than means greater than 15. So we can write C greater than 15. C greater than 15. The name of this form inequality. The name of this form inequality. Then when you use greater than or less than or greater than or equal or less than or equal means we have inequality. My question now, what is the difference between the inequality and the equation? What is the difference between the inequality and the equation? Who can answer me now? What is the difference between inequality and equation? Now, when I ask the question, nobody answer me. Just you want to speak without permission. Yes, Bati.
We don't do lesson.
My question, what is the difference between inequality and the equation? What is the difference between the inequality and the equation?
Mister, the inequality you see who's the greater.
Great.
In the equation, you only write the value of the number.
Okay, thank you, Khalid. So, Khalid, what is the answer here? We choose A or B or C or D?
I think it's B.
Great. Great, Khalid. The difference between the inequality and the equation, inequality we use greater than, less than, or greater than or equal, or less than or equal. But in the equation, just we use equal. Just we use equal. This is the difference between the inequality and the equations. طيب. The question now. Graph the inequality. Graph the inequality. We have x greater than 2.25. X greater than 2.25. And as you see, we use the sign more than or greater than. We don't have equal in the sign here. When you don't have equal in the sign, means the value not include in the solution. The value not include in the solution. So when we want to graph the number line, this is the number line, and this is the point 2.25, but 2.25 not include. Why? Because we don't have equal in the sign, just we have greater than, exactly greater than. So the solution start from the value bigger than 2.25, not from 2.25. So what I do here, as you see here, we have two kinds of the circle. We have unshaded circle and shaded circle. We use unshaded circle when the value not include in the solution. And we use shaded circle when the value included in the solution. So I will take this, the open circle or the unshaded circle. Then go back to the inequality here. We have x greater than. What's the meaning of greater than? Go to the positive side. Greater than, go to the right side. So we can choose this circle, then go to the left side. So this is the graph, and this is the solution. The solution from 2.25, but 2.25 not include here, and the solution greater than 2.25. This is the graph of the inequality. This is the graph of the inequality. Now we have this problem. As you see here, we have this inequality. X greater than or equal. X greater than or equal. Here we have equal in the sign. Means this value include in the solution. This value include in the solution. So what I do to graph this problem here, to graph this inequality, the first step, draw the number line. Determine the value 2/5. This is 2/5. Then look to the sign. In the sign we have equal, means use the second circle, the shaded circle. Then as you see, the sign greater than means go to the right, go to the right, go to the positive side, go to the positive side. So use the shaded circle and go to the positive side. So this is the graph. When you use the shaded circle, means the solution starts from 2/5, and 2/5 included in this solution. Then go up to the positive side. This is the meaning of the graph of the inequality. طيب. Graph the inequality x less than or equal minus 1.2. X less than or equal minus 1.2. As you see here in the sign, we have less than. We have less than. X less than or equal minus 1.2. So draw the number line. Determine the value minus 1.2. This is minus 1.2. Then look to the signs. Look to the sign here. The sign less than means go to the left, go to the negative side, go to the negative side. Now what I use, the shaded circle or unshaded circle, look to the sign. If you have equal, use the shaded circle. If you don't have equal, use the unshaded circle. So we can use the shaded circle here and go to the left, go to the left. So this is the graph of this inequality. The third idea, how to find the solution of the inequality. The question here, which of the following are solution of this inequality? We have this inequality a plus 4 less than or equal 11. And we have three values. We want to choose the right solution. Here, complete the table to determine whether or not each number is a solution of the inequality. We have here the value of the variable a, and here we have the inequality a plus 4 less than or equal 11, and here we have is the inequality true or not. هلا we substitution. What's the meaning of substitution? Put the value of a equal 6. So put here 6. Is it 6 plus 4 less than or equal 11? I don't know, so put here question mark. Now 6 plus 4 will be 10. Is it 10 less than or equal 11? Yes, 10 less than 11. Not equal, but 10 less than 11. So this is true or not true? Yes. So is the inequality true? Yes,
Oh,
true.
Mister.
Yes, because 10 less than or equal 11. Yes, this is true. Now substitution 7. Put the value of a will be 7. Is it 7 plus 4 less than or equal 11? I don't know. Put here question mark. Now 7 plus 4 will be 11. Yes, 11 equal 11. 11 equal 11. So we can write here yes, because 11 equal 11. We have here equal. Right, the third value, substitution 8. With the value of a will be 8. Is it 8 plus 4 less than or equal 11? I don't know, put here question mark. 4 plus 8 will be 12. Is it 12 equal or less than 11? No, this is wrong. This is wrong. 12 greater than 11. So here we write it no. So the solution will be 6 and 7. The solution will be 6 and 7. So draw the number line. Then start from the 7 here and put the shaded circle. And the inequality, as you see, less than. When you see less than, go to the negative side, go to the left. So the direction here were to the left. طيب. The question now, which of the following are solution of the inequality? We have 16b greater than 5.6. We have 16b greater than 5.6. And here we have three values, 1 over 2, 1 over 3, 1 over 4. And we want to check. We want to check. Now here we have table. This is the value of b. This is the inequality. And here is the inequality true or not true. So the inequality here we have 16 times b. The value of b will be 1 over 2. Substitution, put the value of b equal 1 over 2. Is it greater than 5.6? I don't know, so put here question mark. Now try to find 16 times 1 over 2. 16 times 1, 16. 16 divided by 2 will be what? Will be 8. Will be 8. Is it 8 greater than 5.6? Yes.
Yes,
8
Mr.
greater than 5.6. So 1 over 2, the first solution for this inequality. The first solution for this inequality. Now try 1 over 3. Write here the value of v 1 over 3. Is it 16 times 1 over 3 greater than 5.6? I don't know, so put here question mark. So we can write now 16 times 1 divide by 3. 16 times 1, 16. Now try to find 16 divided by 3. 16 divided by 3. This is 16 divided by 3 will be about 5.3333, etc. Or we can write it here as a fraction.
$16 over 3.
So 16 over 3 about 5.333, and here 5.6. Is it 5.3 greater than 5.6? No.
No.
So this is not solution. This is not solution. The third idea, is it 16 times 1 over 4 greater than 5.6? I want to check. 16 times 4 times 1, 16. 16 divided by 4 will be 4. 16 divided by 4 will be 4. So the answer here will be 4. Is it 4 greater than 5.6? Is it 4 greater than 5.6? No. So the solution here, this is yes, this is no, and this is no. And this is no. So we have just one solution here. We have 8. We have 8. So the solution here, just we have 8. The solution here, just we have 1 over 2. Who has any question now?
Nobody, Mr.
So what is the name of our lesson today?
Inequality.
Inequality.
Inequalities. So today we learn how to write the inequality, how to graph the inequality, then how to solve the inequality, how to solve the inequality. Okay, clear for all?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, inshallah tomorrow, not tomorrow, after tomorrow, sorry. After tomorrow on Saturday, at 11 a.m. we have revision for the exam. We have revision for the exam, inshallah. See you, inshallah.
One
next-
master, one again.
See you, inshallah, next week. Have a nice weekend.
Mister,
Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah.